Welcome to Module 2 of WhatsApp AI Agent Mastery. I'm Diamidi from Top AI Africa. In Module 1, we established why AI wins in Africa and identified your quick win. Module 2 is the how. Lesson 2.1 sets the stage. Why Silicon Valley AI breaks the moment it meets an African customer. Then, in Lesson 2.2, I give you the AGENT framework that fixes all of it. Let's begin. Welcome to Module 2 of WhatsApp AI Agent Mastery. Before I give you the AGENT framework in Lesson 2.2, we need to talk about why most imported AI projects fail in Africa. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 reasons Silicon Valley AI breaks down the moment it meets a Nigerian customer, a Burundian clinic, or a Kenyan street merchant. Understanding these failures is the foundation of building AI that actually works here. Here's the core problem. The AI models built in San Francisco, Seattle, and London were trained on English and Spanish data for Western customer journeys, assuming fast internet and credit card payments. None of those assumptions hold in Abidjan, Kigali, or Bujumbura. When African businesses plug in generic AI, they get a product that is technically impressive but practically useless. Let me show you exactly where it breaks. Reason 1. The language blind spot. Your customer types in Kinyarwanda, Kirundi, Nigerian Pidgin, or Swahili. Generic AI was trained on maybe 5% non-English data. It literally cannot understand the question, or worse, it responds with confident nonsense. We've seen fintech bots in Bujumbura respond to Kirundi in broken Portuguese. The customer leaves, the sale is lost. This is not a bug, it's a direct consequence of the training data. Reason 2. Bandwidth blindness. Most imported AI assumes fast broadband, latest phones, always on connection. But 50% of African customers are on 2G or patchy 3G using Android phones under $100. A 5 megabyte image upload from a customer inquiry, the bot times out. Real-time voice? Impossible. If your AI doesn't work on low bandwidth, it doesn't work in Africa. Reason 3. Cultural blindness. Western customer journeys are direct. Product, price, purchase. African customer journeys are relational. Customers ask how you are. They expect greetings. They ask about your family before asking about your product. A generic AI that responds to bonjour, comment allez-vous, with a product catalog isn't rude by accident. It's rude because nobody trained it to be polite here. Customers notice immediately. They don't come back. Reason 4. Payment blindness. Imported AI thinks the world runs on Visa and PayPal. Your customer uses Lumicash, MTN Mobile Money, Orange Money, Airtel Money, or M-Pesa. When the bot can't process a mobile money payment or refund, your sale dies at checkout. And mobile money is not a fringe case in Africa. It's the dominant payment rail. An AI that ignores it is an AI that ignores your market. Reason 5. Context blindness. Local holidays, naming conventions, the rainy season, school calendar, regional dialects. Silicon Valley AI knows none of this. It sends a delivery reminder during a national holiday. It calls a woman madame when she goes by her traditional name. It schedules a consultation during afternoon prayers. Small misses on their own. Combined, they destroy trust. And trust is the currency of African business. Here's the counterintuitive truth. In Africa, small, focused, locally grounded AI beats giant generic AI every time. A 500 million parameter model trained on your business data in your customers' languages with your payment rails wired in will outperform GPT-4 out of the box. Not because the model is smarter, because it's right-sized for the job. Big AI is impressive on a demo. Small AI is what closes sales. This is why African-built AI wins. When you build in Bujumbura for Bujumbura, you get something no Silicon Valley team can replicate. You understand the language because you speak it. You understand the customer because you are the customer. You understand the payment rails because you use them. You understand the cultural rhythm because you live it. This is the African AI advantage, and this is what we teach you to build in this course. So how do you avoid all 5 of these failures? You apply a framework. We call it AGENT. 5 letters, 5 non-negotiable properties of any AI agent that works in Africa. Autonomous, grounded, edge-ready, native language, transparent. In lesson 2.2, I'll break down each letter with real examples from Afripay, Medilink, and Lagos Fashion. See you there. That's lesson 2.1. 5 reasons generic AI fails in Africa. Language, bandwidth, culture, payments, context. Each one has killed more imported AI deployments than any technical bug ever will. The fix is a framework built for African reality. That's the AGENT framework. And it's the entire focus of lesson 2.2. Before you go, hit like, share this with someone who's considering buying an imported AI tool, and subscribe so you don't miss the framework. See you in 2.2.